What if I told you that just 5 stretches could help undo years of wear and tear on your body? And the best part? You can do them all in under 15 minutes. So let's jump right into the first one. Before we jump into these game-changing stretches, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want more tips on improving flexibility, mobility, and overall health, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's get into it. Most people don't realize how much tight hip flexors can affect their lower back and posture. That's why the kneeling hip flexor stretch is a game changer. These muscles located at the front of your hips help lift your legs and allow you to bend at the waist, essentially powering most of your movements. Sitting for long hours tightens these muscles, leading to discomfort and reduced mobility. But the good news, just a few seconds in this stretch can help. A lot of people get it wrong though, so let me show you the proper way to do it. Start by kneeling with one knee on the ground and the other foot forward at a 90-degree angle. Engage your glutes on the kneeling side to tuck your pelvis slightly, then shift forward until you feel the stretch in your hip. Keep your chest tall and core engaged to avoid arching your lower back. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds per side. For a deeper stretch, lift your arm on the kneeling side and lean gently to the opposite side. Stick around because later I'll show you an amazing stretch that targets your groin like never before, with some serious benefits. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. But for now, let's move on to the next stretch that will completely transform how your back feels. The second stretch is the cat-cow, sometimes called the cat-camel because of its appearance. Your spine is the foundation of all movement. Over time, stiffness in your back can limit mobility, cause chronic pain, and make even simple tasks like bending or twisting a struggle. The cat-cow stretch helps keep your spine mobile, flexible, and pain-free. It's also a fantastic warm-up before any workout. Personally, I love doing this before a back session at the gym. Think about how much your spine supports your daily life. Whether you're lifting something, reaching overhead, or just sitting for hours, spinal health is crucial yet often overlooked. To perform this stretch, get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you drop your belly toward the floor, lifting your head and tailbone. This is the cow pose. You should feel a nice stretch in your lower back and abdomen. Then exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin and tailbone. This is the cat pose. Focus on lengthening the space between each vertebra. If you're near a doorframe, you're going to want to try this one right away. It feels incredible. This is the doorway chest stretch. Poor posture, particularly rounded shoulders, becomes a major issue after 40, thanks to endless hours spent looking down at phones, working at desks, or lounging while binge-watching shows. This tightens the chest muscles and can cause neck discomfort. By stretching your chest, you're not just improving posture, you're also creating space for deeper, more efficient breathing. Now, I know this looks simple, but proper form is key to avoiding shoulder strain. Stand facing a doorway and place your forearms inside the frame at about shoulder height. Step forward with one foot and gently lean in until you feel a deep stretch across your chest and the front of your shoulders. Trust me, it's going to feel amazing. And don't forget, take deep breaths while stretching. It's a crucial step that many people overlook. Now, you're probably wondering how many sets and how long you should be holding these stretches. Don't worry, I've put together a simple stretching routine for you, and I'll walk you through it in just a bit. But first, let's get into the stretch I teased earlier. This one is my absolute favorite, and I look forward to doing it every morning. It's called the frog stretch, and I guarantee you've never done anything quite like it. Seriously, get on the floor right now and give this one a try. Tight hips don't just limit mobility, they can also affect your knees, lower back, and even make squatting or walking uncomfortable. The frog stretch directly targets your inner thighs and hips, helping to create more space and relieve lower back tension. It's one of the most effective ways to loosen up this often tight area. Start on all fours and gradually widen your knees as much as is comfortable. Keep your feet aligned with your knees and your shins parallel to each other. Slowly lower your hips toward the ground, feeling the deep stretch in your inner thighs and hips. For an even greater stretch, try gently rocking your hips back and forth. This movement will make squatting, bending, and other daily activities feel much easier while reducing tension in your lower back and knees. Before I walk you through the full routine, let's add a little something extra to these stretches that most people overlook. Simple rotation. Think about it. Most of our movements happen forward, backward, or side to side, but we rarely focus on rotation. That's where the supine twist comes in. It helps release tension, improves spinal mobility, and even promotes relaxation. This stretch is perfect for ending your day with a relaxed back or starting your morning feeling refreshed. To do it properly, lie flat on your back with your arms stretched out to the sides. Bring one knee toward your chest, then use your opposite hand to guide it across your body. Let your knee drop toward the floor while keeping both shoulders grounded. You'll feel a deep stretch across your lower back and hip. Now, let's go over that quick routine I promised. It won't take much time, but it'll make a huge difference. Start with the cat-cow pose, moving smoothly between positions for 10 reps to warm up your spine. Then transition into the kneeling hip flexor stretch, holding each side for 30 seconds and repeating twice to release tight hip muscles. Next, do the doorway chest stretch, holding for 30 seconds per set and repeating twice to open up your chest. Then move into the frog stretch, holding for 30 seconds, taking a short break and repeating once more. Finish up with the supine twist, holding for 45 seconds per side and repeating twice to fully decompress your spine. I recommend doing this routine 3 to 5 times a week. The entire sequence takes just 12 to 15 minutes, but the benefits are huge. If you found this routine helpful and want more tips on improving your flexibility, mobility, and overall health, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more guides coming your way to help you move and feel your best. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.